In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable GIFs in Microsoft Teams chat. Microsoft Teams is a powerful tool for collaboration, and adding a bit of personality to your conversations with GIFs can make communication more vibrant and engaging. Whether you want to lighten the mood or express yourself more creatively, GIFs can be a fantastic addition to your messaging toolkit. But before we dive in, let's ensure you're all set up to use this feature. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that. You can find Microsoft Teams on your desktop, or you can access it via your web browser at teams.live.com. Once you're in, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left side of the screen where you'll see an option labeled Chat. Click on that, and you'll be brought to your chat list. From here, you can open any chat or channel where you wish to send a GIF. Now that you have your chat open, locate the message box at the bottom of the screen, the area where you typically type your messages. Look closely beneath this box and you'll notice several icons. Among them, there should be a GIF icon. This icon allows you to search for and send GIFs directly through Teams. If you don't immediately see it, don't panic. Your organization's IT administrator might have disabled this feature. In such cases, you may need to discuss enabling it with your admin team. Assuming you have access to the GIF icon, let's go through the fun part. Click on the GIF icon and a search box will appear. This is where you can search for the perfect GIF to match the tone of your message. There's a vast array of GIFs available, covering just about every occasion and emotion you can think of. Once you find the GIF you want to use, a simple click will insert it directly into your chat. All you need to do is press send and your GIF will appear in the conversation, ready to amuse or inform your colleagues. Adding GIFs to your chats can transform a dry exchange into a lively and visually engaging conversation. However, while GIFs are fun, it's essential to use them responsibly, particularly in professional settings. Consider the context and your audience. This will ensure that your use of GIFs enhances communication rather than distracting from it. With these simple steps, you can bring a bit of humor and life into your daily conversations right in Microsoft Teams. So go ahead and start making your chats more dynamic and expressive. Thanks for watching, and happy chat.